Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you all how to make your photos website ready. So if you haven't already, go check out my video on how to take photos for your website using an iPhone. And those are the photos that you see in this video. The one I actually already went through the photos from that video and I chose some to be my favorite. So those will be the ones that will be erasing the background and cropping them for our website. So this is the first photo that I favorited, and what I'm going to do is revert it to the original so you guys can see how it looked before and then after. And this is what I would do if I wanted my photos to just have a clean white background. And for those of you who have already seen my video on how to take photos for your website using an iPhone, you'll know that this was just a $1 poster board that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now what I did just notice on this particular bunny, I messed up on a couple of things. So as I'm cropping this one, what I should have done was first rotate it so that the elastic part is on the bottom, as you'll see in the next bunny. And then also what I should have done was crop the pin, the sewing pin that you see like towards the left. I should have cropped that out as well. And at the end of this video, there will be a slideshow and you'll see that I corrected the mistake towards the end. And for the photos that were taken outside, I will leave those as is. But one thing I will say about those is make sure that they are all uniform. So for this instance, I will be using all square photos. So the very first step I showed you guys was how to make a clean white background. And the next step I will do is show you guys how to erase the background. So for iPhone users, the name of the app that I'll be using in today's video is called Eraser, and it looks just like the one on the screen. Once you get into the Eraser app, the next step is to choose the photo that you will be erasing the background on. So your next step is to click erase, and you have one or two options when it comes to erasing the background. You can either do target color, which will take everything that's the same color out, or you can do target area. Now it depends, like with the shadows and all that, when you take your photos, how much that it will erase, and you'll kind of see within the next few clips that I do play around with both of them just to see which one will give me the best result. And as you see, this is what I was talking about with all the shadows and stuff. Like when you take your photos, it did not erase everything the first try, but what you'll have to do is keep on erasing. The way you see if everything is erased is to click the little white box at the top of the screen, and it'll show you like what's left and what's already erased. And if you do make a mistake and erase too much, all you have to do is click restore and then restore whatever that was erased that you would like to keep. So to the right of the screen, you actually see that line that I'm about to erase, and how I do that is go to erase down at the bottom, and then a dot will appear, and that is how you will erase it. Just as full disclaimer, guys, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but one thing you will encounter with this app being 100% free is ads such as the one on the screen. Click the green button at the bottom that says save to save the photo to your camera roll. Repeat the same steps for the rest of your products. So I'm guessing since orange is a much vibrant color, when I press target color this time, you'll see that it erased the background completely. So I actually like that. There's not much to do after this. I'm going to click the black background so I can see what's left to erase. And if not, I'm just going to save it to my camera roll. And the ads really only pop up when it's time for you to save your photo, but after that, the ads are gone. The Eraser app also has a feature where you can crop the photo inside the app instead of doing it in your photos like I did originally. So as you see, guys, there's a lot of patience required when creating a website or editing photos for your website or anything when it comes to your website or your business. You must be patient and you must pay close attention to detail because, like I said in all of my other videos, you do not just want to put anything out there. This is a representation of you, so you want to do the best for you and for your business. Here are the finished photos with and without the backgrounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos related to this series of how to start an online hair care business. I will be uploading another video on how to upload your photos to your website. And as always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'ma get mine today. I'm sure